Hello dear friends, in this video I am going to explain you about the troubleshooting step and rules, how we can start any troubleshooting project and any company, any VRF system, how to resolve the problem with the error code and multiple error code with the different brands and different capacities. So dear friends, please watch my video completely so you can understand in better way. Hello dear friends, myself Mr. Ram, I am HVAC and VRV coach from India. Dear friends, the VRV VRF is the world latest air conditioning technology around the world. Also, we can cover the all kind of modes like a heat mode, cool mode, and heat recovery system. So both of mode we can also use in the heat recovery system like a cool and heat in with the both of mode in the same time of condensing with the single system. So dear friends, according to series the according to the manufacturing companies, they make different kind of series like LG, Samsung, Hitachi, Blue Star, and all topmost 15 plus companies. They are manufacture like a cool mode, heat mode, and heat recovery system. So dear friends, especially the all modes are depend on the climate and weather. So according to our cities, according to our areas, so that kind of projects we are uses. So dear friends, especially about the cool mode, heat mode, and heat and cool and heat recovery system, the four type of series we are going to use around the world. So basically then we are using the system. After the installation we are facing some problem with the troubleshooting and error code resolving. So dear friends, especially in the like a one company, we have more than 100 plus error codes each companies. So dear friends, the most of the error codes are belong the similar with the mechanicals, with the refrigerations, with the electricals and communications. So, dear friends, especially I'm going to discuss with you the top most 10 rules for the troubleshooting. So, in this video, I'm going to explain you one to one. So, please watch this video completely so you can understand better. So, dear friends, the which one is the most important for the troubleshooting for the repair any kind of VRV and VRF project? So, how we can start from the beginning and we can success the project and troubleshoot the project and give the responsible results. So, dear friends, basically the we have to know the error code about the this error code is a single code or multiple error codes. So dear friends, especially then we are go for the troubleshooting for the error code, so we can see and we can find the error code in the thermostat, central control, and the outdoor units display board. So basically we have to know that this is the only single error code showing in the all thermostat, or like a multiple indoor units we have different kind of error codes. Maybe sometimes the subcode also is there is a blinking on the display for the thermostat, but basically sometime there is a kind of situation. But especially in the VRV and VRF system, we get a similar error code with the all indoor unit and outdoor unit. So dear friends, basically we have to find out first the single error code or multiple error codes. We have different kind of resolving in the process. After that, we have to know the project, the generation second or generation 4. Because of that, the generation second, we have different kind of project, different kind of push button settings, different kind of the mechanical parts in the outdoor units in the VRF system. So we have to know the first, this is second series or fourth series, like four generations. So how we can identify? We can identify from the series of the units like a multi-V second in the LG system, like a Deccan company VRV3, like that. So dear friends, also you can go for the troubleshooting any project. First you have to know that because of that the error code and the some kind of sensor, the mechanical process, there is a difference between the generations. After that, then we are find the right fault and right system in the error code. So definitely we can solve the problem on the same time and exactly the problem we can resolve. If we are confusion, so we cannot be make sure that which one is the fault in the exactly in the mechanical or refrigeration and error code and sensor. Many kinds of troubleshooting we will find in this generation second and generation 4. Second, after that then you are go for the troubleshooting any project. So first of all you have to know the power supply for the line 1, line 2, line 3. Basically the all VRF system are belong from three phase system. So you have to know the line 1, line 2, and line 3 is correctly the frequency of voltage, frequency of the earth, everything. You have to know the perfection in the indoor unit and outdoor unit about the voltage and wiring system. There is a perfectly the connection is looses or somewhere is the shortage and somewhere is the tightness. whatever from the panel of the starting of the building to end of the your outdoor units, you have to be perfectly checked that there is something missing or something is voltage shortage or something is going higher. So both of things you have to know that. After that, I do to outdoor unit and outdoor to master unit check the addressing. So, dear friends, basically the indoor unit to outdoor unit communication, we are connected with the all indoor unit to in the sequence like a one to we give the numbers directly or manually or auto. So some of series they are providing the services for the manually, but some companies they are provide auto addressing. So first of all, we have to know the in the system there is auto addressing or manual addressing. So about the indoor and outdoor there is a addressing by the manual or auto addressing, and about the cell outdoor unit there is auto addressing or manual addressing. So after that we can easy way to find out the total quantity of indoor unit and total quantity of outdoor units. After that, brother, after that remote control and central remote control setting, because of that sometimes some kind of troubleshooting and some kind of issues for the faces problem with the system. So we can also facing from the central control and thermostat. Because of that the sum of remote they are quantity of indoor we are set by the addressing by the central control, but somewhere is auto addressing. So first of all, how we can make before the installations, after that after the installation, which way is we are make addressing in the systems, from the central control or from the main control from the indoor unit or in the PCB board, because different companies we have different way to make addressing in the system. After that the quantity of indoor units there is exactly working on that, or we have less than or we have getting more information from the addressing in the display of outdoor units. And how many groups are connected with the center control, we have to be know the group 1, group 2, and then we are start the system, somewhere is a indoor unit is running, somewhere is not working. So this is the issue also belong from the center control, from the group settings. So we have to know all about that. After that we have to check the mood setting, somewhere is the mood setting change in the thermostat and center control. So we have make the sure before the troubleshooting any kind of issues with the system, we know the everything in the perfect way. About the timer also there is a sometimes the timer is set in the individual indoor unit thermostat, so automatically the indoor unit blower motor and expansion valve is closed and cooling effect is not coming. So dear friends, we have to know all about the timer. There is no timer, there is a lock maybe. And after that addressing is a perfect way in the indoor unit and central control everywhere. Total quantity of indoor is showing in the master outdoor unit, and in the central control, in the wiring of central control there is a wiring of central control, there is a perfect or not, because somewhere we have 12 volt of DC in the central control, but we have to be know the wiring is perfectly connected with the all outdoor unit for the central control with the master group, all indoor units and central control. So we have to check the wiring, everything is in the perfections. After that, check the effect load. Most of time effect load is very important for all indoor unit and outdoor unit is working performance, because sometimes the quantity of indoor unit is like a capacity of indoor and outdoor unit B's HP and 15 16 HP, but the heat load and the load of the effect like a cooling and heat mode, both of mode and heat recovery system, we are not saying anyone for the any kind of mode like a heat and cool, but we are just I'm telling to you about the load of effect, cooling of effect, heating of effect. There is a how much capacity of load they are running on the same time, because sometime is less than the capacity load. So it in these conditions the outdoor unit will show the liquid error, and sometime in the error with the system and troubleshoot with the system. And all kind of moods there is a perfection, and heat load may be the quantity of indoor units, maybe sometimes is a sub down and off. So we have to be manage the load of in the all indoor units. After that we can be in not find the like this effect load in the troubleshooting in the maintenance. So sometimes the effect load also is the responsible for the troubleshooting. So we have to check and find out the exactly error code in the outdoor unit and indoor side. So both of things we have to know. The outdoor unit side, there is a sense, there is a error is belong from the outdoor units and the belong from the indoor units. So we have to be assured that where we are facing with the problem with the error with the outdoor unit or in the indoor unit. So we have to check the exactly the error code, that it is a belong from the outdoor or it is a belong from the indoor units. After that, we can be easy way to make a troubleshooting. Next one checklist, the indoor unit PCB sensor and components. There is a working in the perfections. Also, we have to know the outdoor unit sensor and components is working perfectionly, and communication with the transmissions. There is a communication wire and transmission wiring, voltage wiring, everything is perfections. The sensor or components, everything is perfection. So we have to be checked the perfectly, and how to check the components, how to check the sensors. So you can also learn with the many more about how to check the all thermistor, all sensors, different types of sensors. So also you have to find out the all sensor or working position is everything is okay and there is no damages any sensor or any PCB. There is a voltage for the sensor and everything. You have to be assured about that. Then after that, the next step for the required maintenance tool, like if you are facing with the electrical faults, so you have to be take with you the tools for the electricals. And if you are facing with the mechanical problems in the outdoor units or indoor units, so you take with you like mechanical tools and refrigeration for like refrigeration gases, low gases, and gas leakages. So that kind of tools you have to be take together to use to manage your tools. So instantly you can solve the problem, and you can save your time to go ahead and there for the all kind of arranging what tools and where from you will get. So we have to be know the project, the error troubleshooting belong from the electrical, belong from the mechanical, belong from the refrigeration. We have to be sure all about that. And after that, type of project and duration and complete work. Dear friends, if you are working for the troubleshooting and maintenance, so our this is a belong from business. So dear friends, this is your business. So you have to be assured all about your profits. So exactly in the same time you are resolve your problem. So definitely you can get a good business. So dear friends, especially you have to know the importance of that troubleshooting. This is a working project is belong from the hotel, hospitals, commercial buildings, residential, industrial, and educational sector. So, dear friends, the what's the urgency to create to how to resolve instantly and immediately the troubleshooting on the project. So, dear friends, find out the location and find out the duration of work, how many times it will be take to resolve the problem. If you are measuring your time duration to resolve your problem, so definitely exactly the time you can resolve, and you can arrange your tools, you can arrange your labor, you can arrange everything whatever you need on your project. So dear friend, especially find out the exactly the problem and where from you get all kind of materials to resolve your problem, so exactly you can resolve the problem. After that, quotations of work. So dear friends, some companies and some they are asking for the quotation for the troubleshooting project. So what you have to check out first, capacity of project, how many HP the system are they are installing there, and what the getting the problem and capacity of the units. Because of that, the capacity is bigger than, so your working time, durations, laboring, and time management is too much going to out there. So first of all, you have to know the capacity of project. After that, the type of error and troubleshooting, which kind of error you are getting and facing there is problem. So that kind of also is belong from the quotations. So you can match the troubleshooting and how much the time is going there and labor cost and everything. Site visit charges, first of all you have to go there and go on the site, and site visit charges you have to taken from the client. And after that, exactly the quotation also you can make all about the troubleshooting. So dear friends, about the distance of working site, maybe sometime the distance site is different from the your location, your service center, and whatever the distance between the, you have to be make all about the quotations for the laboring distance and your quotations about the materials, labor cost, and product availability. There is available that kind of faulty product is there is available or not. So you can, where from you will get, and how you can resolve the problem, how many time it will be get. So everything you will make the perfections quotations, so they get a profit from the project. Transportation, where from you get the transportations and labors, troubleshooting for the project. So everything you have to make, and net profit limit onwards. So you have to make your downwards list of all quotations, and how much the that list is going to be profitable for you. So you have to be considered first before the troubleshooting any project, for the troubleshooting, for the repair, for the maintenance. If you are just giving the quotations, and after that you are getting the problem with the transportation, with the materials, with the product availability, so everything will be, you can make something difference. So you have to be assured all about that. And dear friends, also if you want to be learn much more about the how to get all about the information from the project management, about the troubleshooting project management. So dear friends, my personal classes for the VRV and VRF training program is going to start for 9 June. So you can register from this my WhatsApp number. This is only for WhatsApp, so you can use this number for the information much more, and you can also consult with me, so you can solve your problem in easy way, and you can grow in your business, and you can make a good responsible work and profitable business in your side. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channels. Thank you very much.